Question number 11. If the number 42573x is completely divisible by 72, what digit should be number unit place shown as x? Okay, so now here we have been given number 42573x is divisible by 72. To find value of x. Solution. Here what we will do, we will place value of x as greatest value of unit place. So what is the greatest value of unit place? Yes, it is 9. So what we will do here, let x is equal to 9. Therefore, the number is equal to 42573. Now what we will do, we will divide this number by 72 and try to find out the value of x. So I will write here 42573 divided by 72. We will consider these three digits. So I will multiply 72 by 5. 72 5s are 360. If I minus this, 423 minus 360, the answer will be 65. I will take this 7 down, so it will become 657. For 657, I will multiply 9. It will come as 648. 9. Again I will take this 3. 72 ones are 72. So this will be 72. Again will be 3 minus 2 1. 9 minus 7 2. I will take this 9 down. It will become 219. To divide 219, I will multiply 72 by 3. So 72 3s are 216. I will subtract this. 9 minus 6, 3. This will be 0 0. So remainder is 3. Right. Now what we have to do? We have to find value of x so that it is completely divisible by 72. So what we have put value of x? We have considered value of x as 9. Therefore, the number x is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Why we have subtracted 3 from 9? Because we have considered value of x as 9 and now 3 is remainder. So to divide it completely, we have to subtract this value from 9. So the value of x will be 6. Therefore, our answer is equal to x is equal to 6. Okay.